So a quick video this week. I just want to talk about how I ramped up and quickly learned about Power BI. The most fascinating thing about Power BI is that it gets updated monthly. There's a website, ideas.powerbi.com, where people go and put submittals about what they want to change in Power BI and new features. And then a bunch of other Power BI users go in and vote on the idea they want implemented. And then each month, the Power BI team at Microsoft looks at the votes and they pick the top ideas and they put it into the next release. But as you can imagine, that makes it really hard to stay up to date on all the new features. So what I like to do is I've scoured the web, and I use a lot of YouTube videos, and these are some of my favorites focused on the fundamentals of Power BI. And once you get the fundamentals down, things are much easier. So I found that was really, there's a nice process, a nice flow, and you can watch the videos in order. Was the Learn Power BI tutorial by Avi Singh, and I've got a picture of that here. So that one I just go through in order. But there's also the channels of Curbal and Guys in a Cube. They have, I think, weekly posts, and Curbal, Ruth there, has Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. The DAX Fridays are awesome. They're categorized, tagged by the function she reviews each Friday, and you can search and watch specific ones. The other thing I do is I binge read Power Pivot and Power BI, again by Avi Singh and Rob Colley. Phenomenal book. I've probably gone through it 4 or 5 times. M is for DataMonkey is a new one. I want to learn about M and the language used to query the data and to kind of shape the data before the relationships and the aggregations are built in. But that's a great book. Both are easy reads, lots of screenshots, examples, easy to follow, but there's lots of nuggets of information in these 2 books. And lastly, I scour the web and forums. There's a huge community, both on the Microsoft's community.powerbi.com site and powerbiusergroup.com. Both groups, there's probably tens, 20, probably thousands of posts every day of people asking questions. And then the Microsoft and a bunch of power users are there every day answering questions, so you can find answers to anything you want in these forums. That's it this week, so tune in next week for another video. Thanks, bye.